Kaloko, sabi nila this is one of the best breakfast buffet daw in Quezon City. Kaya naman today, tara, try natin if it's really worth it. So today, we're going to eat at Fresh Buffet at Soler North. I noticed na ang dami nilang cuisine such as Chinese, Western, Filipino, and such. Pero sa Japanese and Chinese station talaga yung sobrang excited ako. In fairness din, meron silang laksa dito and wide variety of Korean food as well. Pero sa mga fresh juices and chocolate battirol talaga yung nagustuhan ko. Yung bacon din nila dito, very delish, as well as their Shanghai, and syempre also gotten pala some dumplings. Plus, coffee is also a must. Ito talaga yung nilulook forward ko every morning. Sa pastries naman, not bad for me yung almond croissant nila. And syempre, some pancakes also and fresh salad. Yung salad, super bet ko siya with some fresh salmon. Ayan! And syempre, omelette station and lugaw plus oats for the kids. Alam nyo, even si Parker ang daming nakain dito and si baby Kyler wants to eat as well, but lugaw lang siya. Sa Filipino food naman, the chicken tocino, not bad for me. Kaya enjoy talaga. Kayo ba mga ka-locals, what's your favorite Filipino breakfast buffet?